So you got a job where you've got to get some vertical alignment, but you really don't want to be running string lines because you've got stuff everywhere where you really can't go past that XLG44, the XXL with the auto track base. Well, we've got a job here. We need to put some power poles up. We're going to put a shade sail over our art room, and we need to work out where they need to be. We've dug our first hole because this hole has to be in this location, and we're working from there. We've measured from the portable back to the laser, and it's 2200 mil away from that to the center of the hole. We've got the laser turned on, and we've got a laser dot showing straight down to the center of that hole. Now what we're going to do is go up and parallel off. So at this point here, we've marked a 2200 offset. We can set our laser receiver over that point, turn on our receiver, put into auto mode, and track it in. And now we've got that laser parallel to our portable. So now we've got our parallel off. What I want to do is measure off back to 8 meters, put our receiver back on at our 8 meter mark, pick up our laser beam. There we go. And mark where that next post's going to be. We're going to measure off the other post in the other side. We'll get all our posts in line with the front of the portable, and then we can just keep squaring off around the building. Job done. So don't forget, you need a laser, you better get a RedBack.